The video will provide you an expert-recommended solution that will help you migrate Microsoft Teams to another tenant. Here, we will use SysTools Teams Migration Tool. Main features: migrate Microsoft Teams, groups, files, channels, and channels chats. Option to migrate team site, links, members, and member permissions. Provide migration support for team guest permission, mentions, and channel analytics. Option to automatically create teams and channels at the destination. Prerequisites: Microsoft Net Framework v4.8.0 should be installed. Destination users should be already created at destination admin account. Protected API should be enabled from Microsoft. Now let's move into the video. Go to Google and enter SysTools Microsoft Teams Migration Tool. Click on the link shown over your screen. Hit on download and now download and install the software. This is an interface of software. Here you see the multiple platforms are available. Select Office 365 as source and Office 365 as destination too. You can select as per your need. Here at Teams, all the options are by default selected. Rest of the options you can select as per your need. Click on Next. Now in Source Panel, enter the admin email and application ID. On the right side of this Login panel, click on the Validate button to permit the user permissions. Move to Next. In the Destination panel, enter the destination ID. Follow the same process as we did right back in the video. Now under the Resources tab, here you have a few options to process, which is Fetch User, Import User, and Download Template. If you download the template, then you will find this template data in CSV file. Here you have to provide the source user and destination user, and if you want to migrate them, then mark True. I am moving with Fetch User. Select Continue. Tool will show you the total number of emails. In this screen you can see all the source user emails. You can search and select the mails. Now click on All to see the selected, failed, and succeed emails. Priority. Click on star icon to set priority for user accounts to migrate. Click on Validate button to validate permissions. After the validation, you will see the user icon appears in green color. Now click on the Teams button. Hit on Fetch Teams. Shows the number of fetch teams, and hit OK. Go to the search bar and search your team's name, and mark the checkbox on required teams. Click on the Create Team button. When you don't specify a destination name, the tool will automatically set one. Click on Continue. The pop-up shows some instruction. Read it and click on Start and Move. Hit OK. Doing the same steps as I did back in the same video. Now icons appears in green. Validation done. Now hit on Start Migration button. Pop-up appears. Select Start. Now teams are migrating. The status turn into the green check when it's done. Here you see the three options. Retry failed items to migrated the data which didn't get migrate. Rerun full migrations to perform the entire migration process again. Delta migrations to migrate the newly arrived data in between the migration process. Users can perform these actions before marking themes as complete. They won't be able to execute these steps after they've clicked on Mark Themes Complete. Now hit the Download Report button. In drop-down, you receive the two options, Summary Report. It will be CSV file containing only selected data from Migration Report for migration. Detailed Report. Here you get the option to save the detailed migration report of the mailbox. If you want to select the mailbox and click on the Download button, and save the report. Now hit on Group button, selecting the Fetch option. Here go to the search bar and search for the group and team as per need. With these options, you will able to see Selected, Failed, and Succeed. Now hit Invalidate button. The icon appears in green, then hit on Start Migration. Pop-up appears. Click on Start. Here are the results.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.